Can you read it?
Find
You
the
cannot read
angular
it.
distance.
I can
Yeah, read it.
find the angular distance between A 40° north, 65° east, and B 35° north, 65° east.
Listen, everybody. The question is simple, very simple. Find the angular distance between 2 points. And these are the 2 points. Point A, 40° north. It shows you that the point is northward. They now say 65° east. When you draw your circle, anytime you are given question in, listen please. Anytime you are given question in longitude and latitude, try to interpret it as a diagram. When you draw your circle, put the poles north, south, west, east. It will give you direction. They say 40° north, that's point A. On the what? Latitude is towards the north. And 65° east. What is in the east? Longitude. That means, let me start from the east. You draw a circle from the north to south, which on the east side. You label it what? 65° east. This one is 40° north. Remember that it's starting from 0 here, going towards this place, up. Here is what? 90. Here is 0. 40 will be somewhere around towards the middle, but not in the middle. So where these two lines intersect, that is where your point is. Point A. And this latitude is what? 40° north. 40° towards the north. That's point A. Now point B is, it's not supposed to be north too. It's supposed to be south. South. Point B is 35° south of the equator and 65° east. Now we have drawn 65° east. Thank God that one is settled. We now draw 35° south. South start from equator towards the south pole.
Yes.
That's 0, 30, 60, 90. Now where does 35 fall? It's fall between 30 and 40. So
It's coming down.
let's say that I have this side.
Yes.
So it's just an imaginary distance. So this one is what?
35°
south. Now, from this point, there is a line. From that point to the center of the earth. From this point also to the center of the earth. Now, why is this line small? It's because.
Because
Okay, let me just put it this way. You cannot say this line and this line are the same. They are not the same. This one is shorter. This one is shorter. So let's leave that aside. But what we want to establish is angular distance. Look at the way they structure the question. They say some of you will be distracted by the word distance. Distance is what? Speed over what?
time.
That's what this distance they are talking about. But they are talking about angle. That is, between these 2 points, what angle is formed. So let's extract this. Imagine that this is a circle. This longitude is a circle like this. And this point is the center. This one that goes here, I've drawn this circle, this longitude. You know it will go like this.
Yes.
To make a circle. So the point here is O. Let's call it O. Then from O to A, that's it. From O to B. So the angular distance, the distance between A and point B, form an angle at the center here. That's what they're asking you to calculate. So if this is 65, this is 35. Based on this explanation I made here, that when the latitude that forms that point, they are on different side of the equation, you are going to do what? You are going to add. This one is on the northern side, this one is on the southern side. So you are going to add up. So you are going to have 40° north plus 35° south. And it will give you what?
75 degrees.
That means the angle here is 75.
Ah.
That's all.
Daddy.
That's what they're asking. It's as simple as that.